大家好. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Luna and this is Kiko. 哇，很香. Wow, it smells so good in here. It really does. Today, we brought you to a cafe because we are going to learn how to order drinks in Mandarin. Mastering a new language often happens one routine at a time. By focusing on a familiar daily task, like grabbing a coffee, you can start using what you learn immediately in the real world. Even though a menu has dozens of options, ordering almost any of them relies on the exact same sentence structure. We start with this phrase, 我想要. This is how you say, I would like. Let's try saying it together. 我想要. This phrase serves as a reliable anchor for your order. Once you are comfortable with this opening, you can ask for different drinks or snacks simply by dropping the name of the item into the slot at the end. Now that we have our base, let's look at some specific drinks we can add to it. To ask for coffee, we add 一杯咖啡. Put it together and you have 我想要一杯咖啡. If you want tea instead, just swap the blocks. The word for tea is 茶. 我想要一杯茶. 我可以点很多吗? Can I order a lot? You can, but can you finish them all? Maybe not. Because the underlying grammar doesn't change, you can switch between tea, coffee, or juice without needing to learn a brand new sentence. To get your order exactly right, you'll also want to specify how big the drink should be. We use 3 main size modifiers. For small, we say 小杯, medium is 中杯, and large is 大杯. 我想要一杯大咖啡. I want a large coffee. Inserting a size modifier right before the name of the drink helps you communicate clearly, ensuring the barista knows exactly what to prepare for you. There is one final step to any cafe visit before you can take your drink to a table. You need to handle the payment. This is the question you'll use. 这个多少钱? This means, how much is this? Let's try that one more time. 这个多少钱? Having this question ready allows you to complete the purchase on your own, from the first greeting to the final price. Let's see how these pieces look when we combine them into a real-world conversation. 你好, hello. 你好, hello. 你想要什么? What would you like? 我想要一杯大咖啡. I want a large coffee. 好的, okay. By connecting 3 simple building blocks, a greeting, a request, and a size, you can successfully navigate a common social interaction in a new language. Now it's your turn. I'll ask the question and you try answering with your own order. 你想要什么? What would you like? 很好. Great job. You just placed your first order. The more you listen and speak, the more natural it becomes, and the more coffee you get to drink. Just remember not to overdo it. Learning a language starts with these everyday moments. We'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments what you'd like to order. 下次见. See you next time.